Hi, I'm Rochelle Santa Rosa from Antipolo, Philippines. For the past several years, I've been creating, designing, and editing, not just as a job but as a passion. Since 2019, I have worked as a freelance and volunteer content creator, crafting engaging visuals, managing social media, and editing videos that tell stories and connect with audiences. So, my experience speaks through the projects I've completed, the challenges I've solved, and the results I've delivered. And what sets me apart is my commitment to learning and adaptability. I pick up new skills quickly, approach challenges with problem solving mindset, and never back down from an opportunity to improve. Creativity drives me, but execution and results matter just as much. So I don't stop until I get things right. So I'm looking forward to bringing this same dedication, creativity, and resilience to a dynamic team where I can grow while delivering real impact. So let's create something great together. Thank you so much.